This is the Nike Jaw 3 Explorer. This is probably the best sneaker collaboration of the year. Movie collaboration. This collaboration actually happened because this is one of Ja Morant's favorite movies, favorite childhood movies. And to be honest with you, the threes are his best silhouette for this collaboration because one of the first colorways to come out, the Soundcheck and also the Mink Brown, they actually already looked like dinosaur sneakers. And to have a Jurassic Park collaboration is just a cool thing. So this is the Ja 3 Jurassic Park collaboration. This is the Explorer colorway, and it did release in 3 different colorways. Yes, 3 colorways of the Jurassic. A lot of people are just saying there were 2, especially here in the Philippines. The other one hasn't released yet. So the first one we have is the Explorer right there. The second one we have is the Raptor, which is on the screen right now. And the third and final one, the hidden one, is called the Metallic Silver, which my Jurassic nerd best friend told me is the Indominus Rex. So I don't know why they haven't called it that yet or haven't coined it that name yet. Maybe it's copyright issues because this is just the Jurassic Park thing and not Jurassic World, but it's the same thing. I don't know the specs on that. And to be honest with you, if I were to pick a sneaker from the Jurassic Park Ja line, I would like that Metallic Silver Indominus Rex. It kind of looks like the Nike Air Mag from Back to the Future too. So yeah, I'm a big Back to the Future fan. I even have a tattoo of the DeLorean here. Before we get into the sneaker itself, here is the box. So with every great sneaker, there is a great box. So this box mimics the transport case of the Velociraptor in the first scene in the first movie. It's complete with the vented panels and the industrial frame. In the movie, this exact design was used to hold the Raptor before it was transferred to the paddock. Nike most likely wanted to recreate the same tension and authenticity. So instead of the Raptor like in the movie, the Ja 3 is the chaos for us. There's a cool Ja 3 watermark here that isn't noticeable if you don't open the lid a bit. And once you open the cage box, you're greeted with the paper with tons of Jurassic Easter eggs that I will get into. Then you will see these 3 lines, which is a reference to an iconic Ian Malcolm scene, arguably the most iconic quote in the franchise.
Life will not be contained. Life breaks free. Life finds a way.
And with that being said, the storytelling of this box with the opening here, the Jurassic Park logo at the top there, the subtle details inside, it's just pretty cool storytelling, to be honest with you. For this video, I really needed to bust out my vintage. Crazy, right? It's vintage now, the Jurassic Park ride. So with the sneaker, it comes with the amber right here. So this is from the movie, the amber from the movie with the mosquito. And instead of being the mosquito inside, we have the Ja logo. This is a pretty cool thing to have with the sneaker. And with that, we have the paper as well, with a lot of Easter eggs, which I will actually have my friend tell you because this shoe is actually his. He is such a Jurassic super fan. So there is no better person for me to ask to explain the Easter eggs on this paper.
Alright, so the paper that comes with the Ja sneaker is filled with lots of Jurassic Park references. So first up is InGen. So this is the company that creates these genetically engineered theme park monsters.
Now what John Hammond and InGen did at Jurassic Park is create genetically engineered theme park monsters, nothing more and nothing less.
We have a Dilophosaurus over here, the one that kills Newman in the Jeep. No. We have a T-Rex. We have the number 12. We have the Ja logo over here. We have a skull of a Dilophosaurus. We have the iconic claw of the Velociraptor. And we have a Stegosaurus over here. And then we have the skull of what seems to be some duck-billed dinosaur, or maybe a long neck. And then the print just repeats all the way to the bottom. So I'm Matt's self-proclaimed best friend, and I also have a channel on TikTok, mainly featuring watches. It's Wonderology. Feel free to look at the videos and please follow if you like what you see.
Big shout out to Vil for that wonderful explanation right there. He also actually has a TikTok page and it's all about watches. So if you do like watches, I will link his channel down below. Be sure to check him out. Give him a follow if you like content like that. And let him know that I was the one who brought you there. Let's get into the sneaker itself. This isn't a performance review. This isn't my size, so I don't know how this will perform. It performs like any other Jaw 3 out there. But I just want to talk about the Easter eggs with this. So this Jaw 3 Explorer pays homage to the Ford Explorer livery used during the park tour. That iconic green, yellow, and red pattern that screamed, "Welcome to Jurassic Park."
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
I tried my best there. It's the same car that gets wrecked by the T-Rex when it escapes, so this design feels like a tribute to that chaos as well. Bright, bold, and unforgettable. So at the outer part of the sneaker, you have the Jaw logo, so you have the Nike swoosh as a J, and then you have that A that is considered to be the muscle fibers of probably the dinosaur, or when you claw or whatever. At the back part of the sneaker, you have the JP12, which stands for Jurassic Park and Jaw's number, which is 12. The insoles are actually pretty cool. It has that T-Rex insole, the T-Rex fossil biting or eating Jaw's logo. On the left sneaker here, we have the Jurassic Park logo. And on the right sneaker, you have the Jaw logo. So each of the soles of the sneaker has a cool Easter egg. So this is the right pair. It says a happy jaw is a scary jaw. That's the one on the one. And then for the other sneaker with the 2, it says I'm not even worried about proving them wrong. So this is actually pretty cool Easter eggs here. And speaking of the sole has a ton. I don't know how many. I didn't count them, but it's all Jaws logos. So that's pretty cool. And if you see, there's actually differences with the right and the left pair with that Jaw logo, the Nike swoosh, and the A. This one on the right side, the swoosh is actually closer. On the left side, as you can see, there is a bit more space between the swoosh and the A. So this sneaker is actually beyond basketball. It is a collaboration with one of the best sci-fi movies of all time, if not the best. I personally still consider Back to the Future as the best sci-fi movie of all time, but Jurassic Park is still up there. So for us movie nerds, my friend included, he doesn't play basketball, but this collaboration exemplifies the true fans too of Jurassic Park. It's one or the other, not one and the other. Do I make sense right there? It is a basketball shoe, yes, but it's still a Jurassic Park sneaker as well, especially with the amber and with the other Easter eggs regarding this sneaker. This is as much a Jurassic Park sneaker as it is a basketball shoe. And to be honest with you, once the Jaw 3 is released, like I mentioned a while ago, the Jaw 3 sound check, I told my friend to buy that pair because it's perfect for him. It looks like a fossil. Looks like a dinosaur fossil. He actually liked the mink brown more because it is more of a... It still exemplifies a dinosaur build. And then after a few months, the Jurassic Park leak happened with the Jaw 3. So that just ties the story more together. So it is a full circle moment for him. And to be honest with you, this is the perfect shoe for that Jurassic Park collaboration. It does look like the Explorer, which is actually pretty cool. They used muscle fibers as the red. So it's still it's a dinosaur shoe, but it is the Explorer. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you did enjoy this Explorer colorway, or do you like the Raptor colorway more? Or the other hidden colorway, which is the Indominus. I don't know why people aren't calling that the Indominus yet, but that's basically what it is. My friend told me to say that. So yeah, big shout out to my friend again for lending me his pair right here. I did not buy one just yet because I do like the metallic silver more. But if this goes on sale and maybe reaches outlets, I will definitely buy one, and also the Raptor maybe, and use them for basketball since I do play basketball unlike my friend. So yeah, if you want more sneaker reviews and sneaker Easter eggs, I do have a video here on Nike's first ever shoe. I would appreciate it if you check that out. I would also appreciate it if you click the like button down below if you did like this video. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and even if you don't, life will always find a way. Jurassic Park reference. Please subscribe for that. I did hit 500 subscribers already, so yeah. Peace, thank you so much for watching. This has been Matt Quismorio.